This is the portable air compressor from Xiaomi. Today, we will be doing its unboxing and review. Xiaomi has made it available in India through crowdfunding for Rs 2,299. The MRP printed on the package is Rs 3,499. So, if you're interested, you can check out the Xiaomi website and buy it through crowdfunding. It took about 1 month to deliver the product, so it will take some time to reach you, but you can get it for a good price. Let's check the main specs before we unbox. It has a 2000 mAh lithium-ion battery and the inflation pressure range is from 3 to 145 psi, which is more than enough for our normal use. It also shows that the device is very powerful. Let's unbox. Inside the box, we get the air compressor, user manual, a pouch, a normal USB charging cable. It's not a Type-C cable, and 2 adapters. This one is to fill air in any ball, and this one is for the bicycles. Let's try putting this inside the pouch. There is a compartment inside the pouch to put the adapters and the charging cable. The device is small and handy, and it's the smallest air compressor we have seen. It weighs in about 430 grams. In front, it has a digital display and some buttons to operate the device. On top, we have a light. On sides, we can see the heat dissipation vents. And at bottom, we get a charging port and a battery level indicator. It shows different colors to indicate the battery level. White means you have more than 50% of battery left. Orange when the battery is between 20% and 50%. And red when the battery falls below 20%. By removing the hose from its compartment, the device automatically turns on, and putting it back turns it off. The device also turns off automatically after 3 minutes of inactivity. You can also on or off the device by holding the start or stop button in the center. The button on the left is to on or off the light. This will come handy in dark areas or at night. Then we have the plus or minus button to change the pressure, and to the right we have the mode button. When we turn on the device, by default it is in the manual mode, and you can go to the preset pressures for bicycle, two-wheelers, cars and for football. And you can also change the pressure from the presets using the plus or minus button. If you want to change the unit, for example from bar to PSI, you just have to hold on the mode button. The presets seems to be really useful since anyone can use this to fill air to a safe pressure level even if they don't know the correct pressure to be filled. The current pressure will be automatically displayed after the hose is connected to an item. Now set the pressure and press the start button. Xiaomi claims that it has enough power to fill 5 car tires and taking just 6 minutes to fill 1 tire. It took around 30 seconds to fill in each PSI pressure in the car tire. We tried testing it on an empty car tire and took around 14 minutes to get the pressure from 0 to 33 PSI. To sum up, we feel that this Xiaomi product is one of the easiest options available in the market to fill air on multiple range of products. We have several other options to fill air, but they are mostly for four-wheelers where we have access to a power socket. So For the two-wheelers who are into traveling, this is the most convenient option because of its size and portability.